I hope all of you are doing well. I wanted to share this video with you to let you know how I've been doing from a personal and a business writing standpoint. Personally, this whole health situation that's happening internationally is quite awkward to me. I do feel claustrophobic at times because I'm so used to going out with family and friends and going to networking events several times a week to meet new people. So I'm going to be taking advantage of online networking events and workshops and seminars more than ever before until all of this disappears pretty much. Other than that, I've been connecting with family and friends and taking long walks, as many of you can tell. And when I have random thoughts to share with you about business writing tips and how to improve your content, I will definitely share that with you. I do have some projects coming up. I have a online virtual speaking engagement coming up on April 25th that I will share with you again. I shared a video on my Instagram several months ago, but I will provide you with some updates soon on that. Working on some projects with clients that I can't share with you due to confidentiality agreements. And other than that, I have a new video coming soon on more business writing tips and advice on Monday, March the 6th at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So I hope all of you stay healthy and stay safe. If you have any questions at all about business writing, content creation, how to write content for your website, etc., feel free to let me know. I also have a new YouTube channel that you can check out if you click on the link on my bio, and you will see a YouTube logo right under I think my contact information. You'll be able to take a look at some more business writing videos that I may have not shared yet on Instagram. So I hope all of you stay healthy and stay safe. I'll stay connected with you on Monday via video with some more business writing tips. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.